Welcome, today I am with Mi Smart Home Hub from the Xiaomi, and I will show you how you can connect this device with your Mi Home application and with your smartphone. So the first, the most important thing, we have to plug the micro USB cable and connect the charger to the electricity. And when you make it, this indicator will be turned on. It will be highlighted on the blue or yellow. And then you have to open the Mi Home application. Next, you will be able to find your device right here. In some cases it will be appears automatically here, but in some cases you have to add it manually. So you have to tap here, then you can click to add device or scan. You can decide, I'm going to choose the first option. And right now our smartphone is looking for nearby available devices, and as you can see, it automatically finds our Mi Home Hub. So you don't even have to press on this button, just simply connect to the electricity and then select Mi Smart Home Hub. And right now we have to tap right here. Oh no, sorry guys, we have to connect with the Wi-Fi network. I think that we can pick, for example, maybe this one, and we have to enter the password, so that's what I'm going to do right now. And take a look, when you input the password to the Wi-Fi network, you have to click OK, then tap right here, click next, keep both devices close, and now just be patient and wait. As you can see, everything goes really smooth. Right now we can select the room, so I'm going to pick this, the default living room, and then we can also pick, for example, the bedroom, I think. Oh yeah, we can switch to the bedroom. Then click next. Here we can rename this device or leave it like that, you can decide. Tap next and tap to get started. Accept this stuff. And there it is. As you can see, we easily connect Mi Smart Home Hub with our Android smartphone. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.